Hello foodies, welcome to another episode of Easy and Delicious. Today I'll be showing you how to make pepper chole. That's the chickpea in pepper sauce. It's a creamy recipe. You can make this recipe when you don't want to make the regular chole. Let's get started. Come on. These are the chickpeas or chole, which we will soak in water and hydrate overnight so that they are easy to cook. Look how they have doubled in size. You can pressure cook these or boil them until soft. These are perfectly cooked and are ready to use. I have separated the water and kept it aside to use later and also to make a paste from the chickpeas. Here I have a couple of spoons of the boiled chickpeas and I will blend with little water to make a smooth paste. Keep this aside for a while. Cinnamon and cardamom will give a lovely flavor to the chole. Now here I have roughly crushed the ginger and garlic and will cook only for a few seconds. Don't let this brown. Saute the chopped onions until golden. This won't take much time. Once that is done, we will toss in the cooked chickpeas and the blended paste. This will help in thickening the gravy later. We are not going to use too many masalas in it. Very simple, quick and easy. You just have to add a few ingredients and your dish will be ready. As I said, very few spices to keep this dish minimally seasoned yet amazingly flavorful. Give it a good mix and we can move to the next step. Now adjust the quantity of the chilies as per how spicy you prefer. Here I have whipped the cream to make it smooth before adding to the dish. This will make the dish creamy and have a great texture. Check out the description box for more recipe links that I have posted just for you. This is the reserved water after boiling the chickpeas. Don't add too much of the water. We want the dish creamy and thick. We will cook this covered on low flame just to integrate the flavors well. We are almost done. Looks a bit liquid, but don't worry, it will thicken up later. Dried fenugreek leaves are a must to have that mouth-watering aftertaste. Crush them before adding it to the dish. Finally, a generous garnish of coriander leaves and we are ready to serve this chickpeas with pepper sauce. There's this fantastic aroma filled in the kitchen and I can't explain how tempting this dish looks. Perfectly creamy and absolutely delectable. Thanks for watching. Now I'm sure you must have seen so many of my recipes. I'm posting some links below for you to take a look at the other recipes that I have shown before. So I hope you like my recipes and you will subscribe to my channel for amazing new recipes that I post every week. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.